So if you feel like what I said was slave mentality, more power to you. I don't care.
Tell the paparazzi get the lens right. Wait a minute. Got the window down, top blown live.
Hey y'all, good morning. I'm kind of mad because I forgot my little tripod little stand thing. But if you guys do not know, I took a poll yesterday on my channel. Let me read to you guys. Well, I'm gonna just show it to you guys. So I took a poll. I think people are still voting. Yeah, it has 349 votes. And I asked you guys, if I started vlogging consistently, would y'all watch the vlogs? 76% of you guys said yes, we've been waiting on this, and 33% of y'all said nah. So of course I'm gonna go ahead and vlog because 67% said yes. Okay. Yeah, so this is the poll that I put. If you did not see it, if you still want to go vote on it, it's still up on my channel, so you can go vote on it. So I am going to start vlogging. I'm just going to do like little mini vlogs to start off, I guess, and just see how this goes. I'm going to try to be consistent with it because I want to start vlogging, because when I'm not filming hair tutorials, you guys kind of don't see me on YouTube, and it's just kind of like I could be doing something like vlogging that day or whatever, when I'm not posting a hair tutorial. But I'm at the post office right now. I don't think I can film in the post office, and I really don't want to because it'd be crowded in there. So I just got some stuff that I need to really ship off really quickly, and then I'm gonna go on a little hunt for something. But when I get back in the car, I do want to talk to you guys really briefly about my rant video, because I want to touch base on a few points that I said within that video that some people left comments about. Okay, so I'm getting back in my car. I feel so nauseous in there. Like I need to, whew. I feel so nauseous in there. Oh my gosh. And then they be taking forever. That's why I don't like coming to the post office. I come to the post office almost every day, y'all, if y'all did not know. Fun fact. But I'm thankful that I do come every day because I be sending stuff to y'all. So thank you to everybody that shot my Depop. I have 2 golden flower turbans left. I do have earrings available and some golden flower headbands, but the cage bird turban, the one that I'm wearing today, is all sold out. Let me know if you were interested in getting one. I might be able to restock them. We'll see. But if you guys did not know, I made a rant video about support here on YouTube and support in general for like African American businesses. I'll link it in the description box below. A lot of you guys were really positive in the comments, and you guys understood where I was coming from, because I wasn't sure if my message was conveyed properly, but it was, and a lot of you guys got what I was coming from. But some of you guys kind of had a few comments that I definitely wanted to touch base on really briefly. Number one, somebody commented and said that I was complaining. No, I'm not complaining, because at the end of the day, I'm okay with the subscriber count that I have. I'm not complaining whether I think I should have more subscribers or not. I'm thankful for you guys. So no, I definitely wasn't complaining. I was speaking facts, and that's done. I'm not discussing that anymore. It was factual. Moving right along. Okay. Somebody commented about when I said crabs in a barrel, that's slave mentality. We don't want to get on slave mentality, because I can point out so many things that I see on a daily basis that is slave mentality. Yes, a lot of African Americans act like crabs in a barrel, whether the term came from slavery or not. It's a lot of slave mentality that still goes on within our race every single day. Hint, colorism. But I'm not going to even get into all of that, because you know what? I can make a whole separate video about slave mentality, but I'm not even going to get into that. So if you feel like what I said was slave mentality, more power to you. I don't care. I appreciate everybody that commented on the video, you guys. I really liked you guys' point of views and stuff about what I was saying. And I also want to make this point too. I'm speaking from a YouTuber's perspective of what I see as being a creator. It's very different being a creator than just watching YouTube videos. Let me tell you guys that demographics, analytics, a lot goes into being a YouTuber that a lot of people don't see behind the scenes. So it's different. If you didn't agree with me, I'm not upset with you, because everybody's entitled to their own opinion, which is fine, because I'm entitled to my opinion as well. We all are. But yeah, I just want to touch base on that stuff. Appreciate when people, you know what I'm saying, see your point of view. Even if you don't agree with it, just taking the initiative to hear what I was saying means a lot. And yes, I'm gonna start doing more topics like that on my channel, because stuff needs to be talked about. But enough of the rant. If you want to see it, it's in the description box below. Moving right along. So I do want to send my condolences to the to everyone that was a part of that shooting, that school shooting in Florida. And apparently there was a lot of shootings that I didn't even know about that happened over the last couple of weeks, apparently in schools or something like that. I had saw on Instagram, or was that on Yahoo Mail? I said Yahoo Mail. Well, that's Well, it was out on Yahoo. I don't know, y'all. But I saw it online. But all I want to do is say I'm sending my condolences because that is very sad and unfortunate. And I cannot only imagine how those kids' parents feel and how those students feel. Like, I'm sure people lost, you know, daughters, sons, best friends, girlfriend, boyfriends. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's so sad. And those young people didn't even get to live their life. You know what I'm saying? So I just want to send my prayers out to those families. And also, happy Black History Month, guys. I do want to touch base on that. But I'm about to go on a little scavenger hunt. A scavenger hunt. And I'm going to take you guys with me. But yeah, I'm about to go to the hair store to try to find this new Eagle Styler gels. Okay, I just got to the hair store. I don't even really think I can vlog in here, but I'm about to. What's the worst they can tell me? To put my camera away. But I'm about to show y'all how nice it is in Georgia today. And if you guys did not know, if you're new to my channel, hey, my name is Mona B and I live in Georgia. I'm from Michigan though. But anyways, I'm gonna show y'all how nice it is. Wait a minute, let me show y'all. Let me show y'all how nice it is up in this beautifulness. Y'all see what I got on my feet? Don't look at my toes, not done, honestly. But do y'all see what I got on my feet? I got on sandals. Honestly, yeah, people so nosy. Just mind your own business. This is the one I be coming to. Let me see. Hi. Y'all, they don't even got it. I look a mess, so just don't judge me. I'm looking for that new Eagle Styler. Dang, bruh. They don't even got it. Yeah. See, look, they don't got it. Oh, well. Guess I won't be getting that today. Oh, I'm kind of bummed, honestly. I'm about to ask him. I'm about to go ask the man. I'll be back. Y'all, he don't have it. He said the day distributor haven't sent the list for it yet. Because I showed him a picture of it. It's the new Shea Butter Eco Styler Gel. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but they don't even got it. So now I'm about to try to go to this other beauty supply real quick. But I'm really about to just go home because, I don't know. I wanted to use it for my tutorial today, though. I was trying to film in there, but it'd be so awkward because they be having a million cameras in the beauty supply store. But they ain't even have what I need. So I'm about to just cruise my little butt. It's a beauty supply in the same plaza. It's two in the same plaza. So I'm about to just go over there. I'm just so sad. I'm so sad. I thought they was gonna have it because they have everything. I always come to this beauty supply. Okay, let me go. Let me go over to this other one real quick. Ooh, let me put my seatbelt on. Ooh, Lord. That is against the law. Even if you're driving in the parking lot, y'all, make sure y'all got your seatbelt on. I'm so upset, but I'm about to go home because I need to eat something. I just got up and didn't even eat nothing. I have a bad habit of doing that. Slow and steady. Let me just go over here. I bet you they're not gonna have it. I don't think I ever been in this one. Some of these beauty supplies I don't mess with because they be harassing you, to be honest. You go in there, they be harassing. They act like you can't come in and they storing brows or something. So I really don't even be messing with all these beauty supply stores. But I'm about to go up in the Beauty Mart. See, if I was over on the south side of Atlanta, I bet you I could find it. Because they beauty supply stores over there are massive. I'm just gonna park right here, I guess. Okay. Alright. Let's try this store. I'm in this other store and it's loud. They got their music blasting this morning, honey. I'm looking for a wig cap. Because I forgot to get one at the other store. This the one I like. Oh no, that's not it. This the one I like. Let's see if they got this gel so I can get out of here. Y'all don't have to bear with me because y'all can tell I'm not a vlogger, but I'm about to be a vlogger. I'm calling it into existence. Where is the gel? If they got it, I'm gonna be so hype. Nope, they don't even got it. Look, this day selection. They got to be glue. Nope, they don't have it. Let me just go, because obviously it's too new. Ooh, they got some puffs. Ooh, those are so cute. Oh, those are cute. Look at these puffs. I should get one, y'all, and do a tutorial. Look, they got all kinds. Oh, those are so freaking cute. I'm gonna come back and get one. See, I should have been came in this store. This store got what I like, but they don't got what I need. Okay, y'all, so they don't have it either. I just got a wig cap because I got a wig to make today. I'm gonna just try to find it this weekend because I really do want it. I wanted to use it today, but that's okay. But let me know if y'all found it or whatever. I need to get some business cards made because this girl just asked me about my turban. And I had some business cards, but if you guys don't know, well, a lot of you guys do know, but if you don't know, I had changed all my social media handles to my name, so they're old and outdated. I need to get some new ones. That's what I really need to work on this weekend, honestly. But I'm gonna go home and get me something to eat because, ooh, I'm feeling weird. For real. But yeah, y'all, so I'm gonna try to find that Eco Salad Gel because I really want to review it for y'all and stuff. And y'all know I love me some Eco Salad Gel. I'm gonna just go to the south side this weekend. Yeah. But I'm about to go home now. So this will probably be the end of this vlog. This was like a little short car vlog. I don't know. But I'm gonna come back and get one of those puffs because those are really cute. I know this is so funny, but I usually only buy something like hair stuff when I know I'm actually gonna use it, because I got hair right now that I done bought and I never used it, and I had it for like years, and I keep saying every other day, oh, I'm gonna do a tutorial on it, I'm gonna do a tutorial, and I never do the tutorial. But this is the end of this first little mini vlog. I'm gonna number my vlog, so this will be vlog number 1. I'm starting over. I do have vlogs on my channel. I'll link some in the description box if you guys don't know. But yeah, I'm about to go home, give me something to eat. So I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.